Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenberger here, PRI with Power Automedia, and I'm here with FST Performance Carburetors and a very good friend, Ken Farrell. And you know what? Always good to see you, but you guys have an incredible new lineup of carburetors. Give me the quick overview.
Well, the first thing I want to show you is the cast carbs, and then we're going to walk around and take a look at the billet carb we brought out with us today. Let's take a look. The first thing we got is cast carbs, everything from 600 CFM straight up to, the 4500 series. That's basic stuff. We're a PRI, so we're going to go through this time, everything billet. So 4100 series carbs, we've got them starting at 600 CFM, going up to, in the 4150 series, we've got them going up to, 1200 CFM. They're broken down in two different series. We've got the XS series, which is more of a street series, and then we've got XS Pro. They're broken down in 2-circuit, 3-circuit, and all kinds of neat features.
Let's go through the billet carbs top to bottom. What makes them different? Because I know that you're the master of putting air and fuel together and getting it in a motor. Let's take the carb, let's dissect it. Take me through it step by step.
Well, I got good guys to do that for me. We've got really, really good engineers that have been working on this for a long time. But, there's lots of different things. We built in a lot of features that, mostly modifiers have been putting in carbs, and we're giving that to you standard. So stainless steel, butterflies, linkage arms, all the tuner modifications, everything that guys have to buy their carbs, take them apart, send them out to guys and have them go through them and then get them sent back to them. We're putting that in a box and giving it to you right over the counter now. It just makes it easy.
What are some of the specific features that you want to itemize on the carb itself?
Being able to buy a carb with raised spread metering blocks and 3-circuit metering blocks, right out of the gate. That's something that's really great. And just getting all the everything that you need, right when you need it. Being able to call in, speak to an engineer, get your tune done for you. You can get that done at our company.
Ken, walk me through one of the billet carbs and all the great little parts and pieces you guys have designed and built into these carburetors.
Yeah, well, it starts with a good main body. It's all CNC'd. I mean, the finish on it and the quality of the machining. I mean, we've had people come up to us and think that we're actually making these things out of plastic. I mean, the machine work on it, you can't even see the tooling marks on it. So that's something that's, pretty cool there. So the machine work on it's phenomenal. The design and engineering on it is, an airflow characteristics is something that we spent a long time on. But straight from the main body work, the way the air bleeds are just shielded, 3-circuit, main bodies. We've got, a lot of work into our metering blocks, unique design on the fuel bowls. All of our parts are stainless steel. Our shafts are, sealed shafts. The throttle bodies are multi-pattern throttle bodies, removable jets. You don't need to go and buy extra parts. So when you buy the carbs, the carb is set up. The price range on this is also, a carb like this, good to go, set up to go, is in the $850 range. So right there, I mean, it's a win-win. So then we've got another billet carb, which we think is going to be phenomenal. We've got a street series billet, and this is in the $650 range. So the price of a cast carb now, we're doing full billet carbs in the $650 range. And that's not leaving anything on the table. It's not a 3-circuit car, but, it's pretty much all you need for getting down the street. So if you guys on the street and bracket racers, same thing, full billet carbs in the $650 price range.
Talk about some of the response you've had to the carburetors here at PRI. I mean, this is the show where it's the real racers looking for the real stuff. What's been the response from the crowds looking at the new lineup of carburetors?
The response has been great. I mean, people are surprised at what we have and how much we have as a new company. To be able to start, usually you come out and guys will have a few carbs, they'll have, a few castings made. I mean, when we decided to do this, we didn't go in, with one toe in the water. We tooled up and we made everything. So we've got everything that we need, every casting, every part. I mean, if you want to buy just one part from us, we'll sell you that. If you've got a small shop, if you're a modifier and you want to buy just, pieces and linkages and components, we'll be able to supply that from you. But the idea is to be able to be a one-stop shop and be there for the racers and support it. We've got a nice race schedule set up. We'll be at the shows. We're going to be there supporting the teams, bring a couple of cars of our own out and, just take it easy, take it light, keep a chill season, and start the ball rolling.
What's the message you really want to get to the racer out there looking for an alternate carburetor source?
We've got a good quality solution. We make everything here, put it all together in Michigan, and we don't believe that you have to pay a crazy amount of money for a really quality, tuna-bred product.
Once again, Ken, you have blown my socks off. A carburetor that should be priced well above where it's at. Incredible durability, incredible feature and benefit. But if people want more information, where do we send them?
We just go on the web, fstcarb.com, and you can find us there.
You heard the man, fstcarb.com. It is Power Automedia right here, PRI.